25th to 30th August. Before starting, I would like to tell you a bit about my college. CPJ College of Higher Studies was founded in the year 2007 under the Shri Aurobindo Education Society, wherein all the courses are being done under Guru Gobind Singh University. We are offering a bandwidth of courses like BBA for under the head management. We are offering BBA and BBA CAM courses. For IT, we are offering BCA. For commerce, we are offering BCom honors, and for law, we are offering BA LLB and BB LLB. And from this year itself, we have started with LLB 3 years course. And now also we are having postgraduate LLM courses. And it gives an immense pleasure wherein we are having 3,000 plus students at our college campus who have already been passed out and are currently working in reputed MNCs, companies and industries. 6,000 plus alumni are associated with us and contributing in the growth of the college. 1,000 plus campus events have taken place already, and 1,000 plus high profile guests including the luminaries from the legal world, ministers and government officials have taken place, and 100 plus faculties and under the strong mentorship of our top management is the reason for the growth and success of CPJ. If I talk about my management department, MCIT department of CPJ College of Higher Studies, since inception we have the courses for BBA General, BBA CAM, BCom Honors and BCA. And BCom Honors, we started running BCom Honors course in the year 2013. All the programs are for 4-year duration divided into 8 semesters in an academic year journey of 4 years. The main objective of the BBA journey course is to equip the students with the necessary conceptual, entrepreneurial and analytical skills required for handling business operations. For BBA CAM, if I talk about, it provides an opportunity to learn both about business administration and computer applications, efficient and effective use of administration and computer the talent management facilities to the students to step into the competitive area as companies require nowadays for the candidates to be multi-skilled. For BCom Honors, if I talk about, provides the student with a wide range of managerial skills while building competence in a particular area, and BCA aims at inculcating essential skills as demanded by the IT industry through the interactive learning process. Now coming to the glimpse about what all we always be studying during the FDP. The faculty development program on the theme capacity building for academic excellence, strategies for effective teaching and research is designed to enhance the faculty members, research scholars and academicians an understanding about the importance and relevance of capacity building in the area of academic scenario. It will help us in navigating the path of capacity building of the participants, which will help them improve their teaching and research skills, enhance the understanding of innovative teaching and learning methods, ability to design and implement effective research projects, development of peer support networks, and enhance the collaboration. The objectives of the FDP can be defined as under: we will be able to enhance the teaching and research skills of the academicians, enabling to achieve academic excellence. Second, we will be able to equip the participants with effective strategies and techniques for improving student learning outcomes and research productivity. Thirdly, we will be able to foster a culture of academic excellence, collaboration and peer support among participants. To enhance this participation skills in designing, to enhance and implementing effective research projects including literature review, methodology and data analysis. To provide participants with the opportunities for networking and building relationships with colleagues from other institutions. By the end, all the participants who have joined us today from various colleges all across India will be equipped with the following points. Firstly, they will be able to contribute to the cultural shift within the institution, emphasizing the importance of teaching and research excellence. equip the participants about how to assume leadership roles in teaching, learning, and research initiatives with their institutions. Also, to understand about how to achieve significant improvements in the student learning outcomes and research productivity. Fourthly, better application of research productivity and to achieve significant improvements in student learning outcomes. Also, furthermore, if I go on, fifth point will be to develop new programs and initiatives to promote academic excellence. And lastly, to contribute to the development of institutional policies and procedures that support academic excellence. Now, if I talk about the schedule that we start today with the FGP and it will end on 30th 8. It is 1 week FGP for 1 week FGP comprising of 6 days. Each day will have 2 sessions, one session from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. and the second session will be from 7:30 to 9 o'clock, where different experts, speakers from India and outside India will be presenting their desired knowledge on the diverse topics related to capacity building for academic excellence. Capacity building for academic excellence is a comprehensive process that enables the knowledge, skills, resources, and systems of individuals, institutions, and educational systems to enhance their ability to achieve and sustain high quality educational outcomes. It involves activities like training, mentoring, policy development, and strategic planning to foster institutional capabilities, empower the educators and researchers, and promote information, innovation, and resilience in the academic environment. Untimely capacity building aims to strengthen the ability to adapt to new challenges, meet learner needs, and contribute to broader societal development. APJ Abdul Kalam once rightly said, educationists should build with the capacities of the spirit of inquiry, creativity, entrepreneurial, and moral leadership among the students and become their role models. He said that for academic excellence, learning must be purposeful and lead to creativity, which in turn sparks thinking and knowledge and also helps in benefiting the economy. He emphasized that the educational system should retain children's smiles by being creative and providing opportunities for employment, and that students' capacity for research and inquiry should be developed to build human values and a prosperous nation. So without taking much time of yours, let's all start our learning journey, which will help us grow and expand our knowledge horizons.
Good evening, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all of you to this AICTE sponsored Atal Faculty Development Program being organized at our institution, and the duration is from 25th to 30th of August. This FDP makes an important step towards enhancing academic excellence, innovation, and knowledge sharing in emerging domain of learning. Today, we are truly privileged to have among us our distinguished guest, Dr. Vivek Kumar Singh, Generative AI Architect at Cognizant. Sir, your expertise and thought leadership in this field of artificial intelligence will inspire our faculty, participants, and enrich this program with valuable insights. On behalf of entire college fraternity, I extend a very warm welcome to you. I also take this opportunity to convey my heartfelt best wishes to our FDP coordinator, Dr. Parul Agarwal, and co-coordinator, Ms. Soumya Goyal, for their dedicated efforts in planning and executing this academic event. The hard work and commitment you have shown will be instrumental in bringing this program to fruition. I am confident that over the next 6 days, this FDP will not only provide deep learning and research-oriented discussion, but will also encourage collaborative thinking and innovation among all participants. Once again, I welcome you all and wish the program a grand success. Thank you.
Kavya ma'am, everything goes fine. We are very happy about all the sessions. We are able to learn, and the time you have given us is a very, it's very good time for us, so that we relax ourselves, we attend the sessions very carefully, and we make note of all the things which have been delivered. Thank you so much, ma'am, for that.
Dr. Mace,
Going
for
wonderful.
for your motivational words.
Thank you, ma'am.
If other participant would like to say anything, you can unmute yourself and say.
Ma'am, thank you so much for those sessions. The last 2 days we were able to learn more on AI tools, and today it was a more refreshing session. Especially the two sessions today was interconnected. When we are positive, we take everything in a positive note. Whatever happens around us, either it is negative or else negative comment, whatever it may be, whoever it may be, we take everything positively. So this is a wonderful learning experience. We are enjoying a lot actually. Thank you so much for the wonderful experience, ma'am, we are getting.
Thank you, Dr.